Jennifer Salter with eXp Realty, and I'm going to show you really quickly how you can create a squeeze page using KvCore. It is very helpful. Not only does it cost you nothing, but you can share this link that will populate an image of those potential listings, and you can broadcast it on social media. You could send the link directly to clients, but basically a squeeze page is going to allow you to create a search, a custom search. For instance, townhomes that are between 350,000 and 500,000 in a particular city. Or you can create a squeeze page for ranch homes with one story that are on at least an acre in whatever area you're looking at. And that way, people will be directed to all of those listings that are fitting that criteria. And this is a great tool for you to know how to use so that you can share these listings and get people brought over to your KvCore site so you can get more leads into your database. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how to do that really quickly. All right. Give me 1 second. All right, so right now you are on the KvCore dashboard, and you're going to go on down to lead engine, and you're going to click on build squeeze page. So you can create a squeeze page that has more than one property or just for one single property. There's other options as well, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be looking at particular groups of property. So let's say that I want to look in Wake County. You can search by county, city, neighborhood. Now, from here, I would like to look at all, no, I don't want that. I want single family homes. Okay. And you can choose multiple. You could do single family, townhomes, but for this, I'm just going to show you single family homes, up to 500,000. And again, you can put whatever criteria you want. You do not have to fill in these fields. You could make it as broad or as narrow and specific as you'd like. And let's say that we are looking for homes that are one story. I'm going to search through the options and I'm going to find the one story option for this example. And let's say I want to only look for homes that are on an acre or more property. Okay. This I like to leave the way it is. It'll allow them to look at 2 images before it asks them to register, which ultimately will allow them to show up in your database as a lead. Now, if you're sending this to an existing client, you may want to put never, because you don't want your existing client to have to sign in if you're showing them particular listings. But we're going to keep this as the default. And let's just say that for this one, I'm going to create a hashtag. So anyone that clicks on this link and goes through is going to be looking at ranch homes 500,000 or less. And I'm going to be sharing it on Facebook. So I'll put Facebook. Now, I am going to also, let me see if I can do that on here. Give me one moment. Oh, this one, okay. Yeah, we're not going to do coming soon, and we don't want pending, so I'm going to leave that off as well. All right, we're going to generate the link. I like to use the short link. In most purposes, it works just fine. So now from here, what do we do with this link? Well, let's just say that we were to go over to Facebook. Okay. And let's say that I wanted to say, check out all of these great Wake County ranch homes on at least 1 acre, under 500,000. And I like to add emojis. They show that it gets you better responses, and you can use little house emoji. I always think that works well. Okay. Now I'm going to copy the link. Now you're going to see it's going to generate a preview. I'm going to wait for it to load the preview. Okay, so when they click, they're going to see all the homes right using that link. I'm going to then delete the link because you don't want that to show up, and then press next and create the post. I'm not going to do that for this example, but let me show you exactly where it's going to take them. So when they go to the site and they click on it, it's going to take them to that squeeze page, and it's going to show them the homes that fit that criteria. They can click on it and view additional details. Okay, and they can look at all the pictures, and eventually it's going to trigger that they need to sign up and register. I hope that was helpful. Enjoy it.